you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life.
Hey, what's up y'all, and welcome back to another video. This is Life with Dree, and today is a different type of video. I'm doing a DIY project. This is the baby shower crate with the attached rack that I saw someone do on YouTube. I wanted to find a really great creative way to do a baby shower gift, and I thought this was perfect. So I'm showing you guys how much I spent on the items that you just saw, and I will kind of go through and explain everything step by step so you get an idea of how this worked out for me. I'm going to use a trash bag to sit this crate on and paint it. I did decide I wanted to paint it. I noticed a lot of other people who did this did not paint it, but we're going to paint the crate white. Painting is pretty self-explanatory. I just used like the foam paintbrush and just started painting it. Just make sure when you're painting that you are careful to let it dry, and when you work on certain sides, make sure the other side is dry before you work on other sides. Like the sides with the handles, I needed to flip it on one side in order to paint the other side, so I had to make sure one side was dry before I did that, if y'all can understand what I mean. But yeah, that's what I had to do, and so this part's pretty self-explanatory. Just paint the crate whatever color you would want to paint it.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want.
So as you can see here, I have it flipped up, which is what I was explaining before. Flipped up on one side, and the other side had to be completely dry for me to be able to do that. So yeah, and now I'm just doing little touch-up areas, places that I felt like could be more white. I'm just touching that up right now. And this clip right here is just a quick clip to show you how I cut the dowels. Just got this little tool from Walmart, very cheap, and yeah, so that's how I was able to cut the dowels down. I did cut the dowels down. I noticed some people did not, but I did want to cut the dowels down because I was going for a very specific look with where the clothes hung at and where the gifts sat in the basket, well, in the crate. So yeah, I did cut them down a bit, and you will see how it all comes together shortly. So now the crate is completely dry. I'm just showing you it's dry, it's painted, and now it's time to work on decorating the crate itself.
Fame and being pretty all the time doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box.
So I found these little things from Hobby Lobby. Pretty much everything that I'm working with I got from Hobby Lobby. If I didn't get it from Hobby Lobby, I'll be sure to let you guys know. But these little things I found from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to be using the Gorilla Glue super glue to glue those on. You're going to see me positioning where I think I might want them to be. So once I figured out where I might want them to be, I went ahead and took a paint marker and started writing Baby Williams on there. But y'all will see I ended up not even keeping my letters like this. I painted over it and ended up buying some stick-on letters that I got off Amazon, and it looked way better. It was just like after I put it together with the words that I wrote, I did not like how it looked. I just felt like the name needed to pop more. So I ordered these letters off of Amazon and used these instead. And y'all, this project was a lot of trial and error. You will see some mistakes that I made because I'm gonna super glue those pieces to it, and then I decided I didn't like the way it looked with the words. So then when I purchased the new letters, it didn't quite fit. It was you'll see. You'll see. Just a lot of trial and error, but I made it work.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want.
Okay, so here are the new letters that I decided to use, and they were like pink rhinestone letters, and I absolutely loved them. They stuck so perfectly. They look so good. And you guys are going to see where I made the mistake at, because when I start putting the Williams letters down, the S, there was not enough room for the S, so I had to overlap it over the little baby bottle thing that's right there, but it is what it is. I had to do what I had to do because I was not going to be changing it up. And if I took the stickers off, it would have messed it up. And I wasn't going to do that. Okay, so I did decide to get these little slider things to attach, to stick on at the bottom of the crate, because I don't know where she plans on placing this crate in her home. So I just wanted to make sure I had something on the bottom, so in case it's like hardwood floor or wherever the case may be, that it's not ruining the floor from the crate. So these little things are going to just make it so it's soft down there and just easily able to sit somewhere without messing up the carpeting or flooring or whatever. And of course, this part is optional. You do not have to do this. This is just something I decided to do. Okay, now moving on to gluing those dowels on there. I forgot to tell y'all that I did not paint the dowels on camera, but I did paint them. They are white. I did not purchase them white, but I did paint them. I just did not record that part. But here I'm sticking the dowels on, and I'm using the Gorilla Glue wood glue. And just a tip in case you want to do this, apply the glue onto the dowel and let it sit before sticking it, because you're going to end up holding it for a very long time before it actually sticks. So I ended up having to get a mini fan to kind of speed up the process. But if I were you, I would put the glue, let it sit until it gets a little bit tacky, and then stick it, so that way you're not there pressing and holding it for 30 minutes straight, because that was very time consuming. And you'll also see me trying to clean up the excess glue. So if you see me grabbing little pieces of paper towel, I'm trying to clean up the excess glue, because of course trial and error, y'all. I did not let it get tacky first. I just stuck it on, and then glue was everywhere. So yeah, like, don't do that. Don't be like me. I'm here to help you. Okay. So if you do this, wait, let it dry a little bit and then stick. I promise you, it's still going to be the same. It's still going to stick. It's going to hold very, very well. It'll be much easier if you do it that way. Trust me.
Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick.
Okay, so this part got a little bit tricky. This is why you need to make sure your dowels are very, very even, all the way across, because I noticed maybe when cutting, one side was a little bit slightly diagonal, not straight all the way, but we still made it work. I could have went in and cut it again, but I just didn't want to run the risk of ruining it or like messing something up. So I decided to make it work. I'm applying the glue at the top, and I also applied glue onto that final dowel. So yeah, again, don't be like me. Let it get tacky first and then stick, because I was literally holding this forever and my arms was hurting. Like, no joke. Okay, now that you have the structure down, the base structure down, now you can start, filling it up. I decided to put some pink tissue paper at the bottom just to, spice it up a little bit. And then I'm just going to start placing in the gifts, and I'm going to tell you guys what I got. You can get whatever you feel is necessary you want to get. Items that I got a pack of Heyyy's diapers, and then a toy, like a donut macaroon toy I thought was super cute. Got bottle set. It was just 2 mom bottles. I think that's how you pronounce it. Is it ma'am or mom? I don't know. Got this cute little unicorn blanket that I rolled up and put in there. Got 2 packs of Heyyy's wipes, and I love these wipes because I use these wipes for my own daughter. So I got 2 packs of that, and got, what else did we get? We got, this book, My First I See You, with the little mirror. Thought that was cute. A bottle cleaner brush. Got we got pacifiers and teething rings. And I think that was it. Yes. And now it's time to add the onesies, and I got all these onesies from Target. I did get 3 to 6 months, and these onesies were so cute. And yeah, I'm just gonna hang them up. I also bought a pack of pink hangers that I was gonna switch the hangers to the pink ones that I purchased, but once I got these up there, I was like, actually I like the way it looks with the white hangers. And my husband was like, yeah, let's keep them with the white hangers. So we decided to add the pink hangers into the gift basket. So, but yeah, and that was all for making this, you guys. The final result, this is the final result right here. But that's it, y'all. You should definitely give it a try, because it was very, very easy. Now that it's done, it was very simple. But yeah, super creative, and I love it. So anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. And as always, like it, comment down below if you think this project is something you would want to try, and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Okay, I love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.